Coin collecting is a hobby enjoyed by people all over the world, and collecting coins from different countries can be an especially rewarding pursuit. Collecting coins of the world is a fascinating way to explore different cultures, histories, and traditions. Coins serve as miniature time capsules, each telling a unique story about the country that produced them. The world is full of diverse cultures and histories, and this is reflected in the coins that countries produce. Coins can tell stories about wars, revolutions, important historical figures, and significant events in a country's history. For example, the Indian rupee features an image of Mahatma Gandhi, the leader of India's independence movement, while the Canadian dollar coin features the image of a loon, a symbol of the country's natural heritage. One of the most exciting aspects of collecting coins of the world is that it encourages exploration and learning about different cultures. Collectors may discover new countries and learn about their histories, art, and symbols. For example, a collector of African coins may come across a coin from Burkina Faso featuring an image of a mask, representing the country's rich tradition of mask making. Collecting coins of the world is also a great way to connect with people from different cultures. Collectors can attend coin shows and meet other collectors from all over the world. They can also trade coins with other collectors to build their collections and learn about the coin's stories and origins. One of the challenges of collecting coins of the world is that it can be difficult to obtain coins from certain countries. Some countries produce fewer coins than others, and some may have restrictions on exporting coins. However, this can also make the hobby more exciting, as collectors may need to put in extra effort to find and acquire certain coins. Another challenge of collecting coins of the world is that there can be significant differences in coin values and rarity. Some coins may be relatively common and easy to acquire, while others may be extremely rare and expensive. It's important for collectors to do their research and learn about the value and rarity of the coins they are interested in, to avoid overpaying or missing out on valuable opportunities. Collecting coins of the world can be a rewarding and enriching hobby. It encourages exploration, learning, and connection with people from all over the world. Whether collecting for fun or as an investment, the thrill of discovering new coins and learning about their stories is sure to captivate collectors of all ages and backgrounds. On our channel, you will find collectible coins from around the world. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, our channel offers a vast selection of coins that are sure to pique your interest. We pride ourselves on providing a diverse and extensive collection of coins from various countries, spanning centuries of history. From ancient Roman coins to modern-day American currency, our collection has something for everyone. Our team of experts has carefully curated each coin, ensuring its authenticity and historical significance. Our passion for numismatics drives us to provide the best possible experience for our viewers and collectors. We understand that collecting coins can be an expensive hobby, which is why we offer a range of affordable options to cater to all budgets. Whether you're looking to add a rare coin to your collection or simply want to start collecting, our channel has something for everyone. We also understand the importance of community in the world of coin collecting. That's why we encourage our viewers and collectors to engage with us and each other through our channel. Our comment section is a hub for discussions, where collectors can share their thoughts and opinions on various coins. In addition to offering an extensive collection of coins, we also provide informative videos on the history and significance of each coin. Our team of experts provides insights into each coin's historical context, helping collectors understand the value and importance of each piece. Our channel is also committed to providing a seamless and enjoyable experience for our viewers. We are constantly updating our collection and providing fresh content to keep our viewers engaged and interested. We also encourage our viewers to subscribe to our channel and leave likes on our videos, helping us to grow our community and provide an even better experience for all. In conclusion, our channel offers a diverse collection of coins from around the world, catering to collectors of all levels and budgets. Our passion for numismatics drives us to provide an informative and engaging experience for our viewers and collectors. We encourage everyone to subscribe to our channel and join our community, where they can find what they were looking for and more.